We want to find the domain of this function f of x is equal to x plus 1 over 2 minus x. Well, there's a denominator in this function, so we want to include only those values of x that do not force the denominator to be 0. What this means is we take the denominator, and I'll write it, 2 minus x, I'll set it equal to 0, and I'll solve for x. And when I solve for x, I find that x equals 2. And what I want to make sure is that I'm going to exclude 2 from the domain. Now, when I exclude 2 from the domain, you're probably thinking, well, that just means x is not equal to 2, which is absolutely correct. So if I want to write my domain in terms of intervals, I'm just going to picture a very basic number line with an open circle at 2, and we won't include it. You see this part of the number line here? This is all values of x that are less than 2. See this part of the number line here? This is all values of x that are greater than 2. So written in interval notation, we have negative infinity to 2, all open parentheses, union, or 2 to infinity. Here is our domain of our function.